Hi, it has been a while. I'm sorry, but I'm back, so it doesn't matter anyways. You can't see past my knees, but you're still here to learn this tutorial. So let's get going. So we're gonna start here. So this goes into an 8 count. Okay, so you start facing forward with your feet shoulder width apart, but you can't see my feet, so whatever. And you're gonna like turn your chest out this way, and when it finally gets there, so it's like this, you clap, bring it around, clap, clap. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do the 4 and bring your arms like out, this leg is going to go in front of you. So it's like that, and then you turn to the other way. Okay, so when they move into place, they kind of do a little jump. So we're going to do that. And it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on that 7, 8, just to clarify, you're going to go like up, and your leg is going to come out like that, and then come down and do it again. When you do that first clap, it's 2. I just realized. So, actually, here's how you do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on the second 5, you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna walk to your spot. But we don't have a spot, so I'm just gonna. Okay, and you do that for. You do that for 2 or 3 counts. The rest of the count, you walk to your spot. And then on the next one, you're going to have your feet apart. Your arms are going to be up like this. And you're going to go down. And when you do that, your legs are going to do this thing, which looks so awkward on camera, just doing that. But you do this, and you go down. So each one of those is for 4 counts. So you finish the second one of this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So what they do is they stand their feet flat, like the top parts of their feet, right here, and they move their heels in, but their knees go out, so it's like that, but you can't see. So knees go out, heels go in, so it'd be like that, which already feels weird, but they just do it over and over. So it'll be like 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can't. That feels awkward. I think if you do it, you can just flip your toes out. So if you keep your heels planted on the floor and move your toes, make sure your feet are apart. Your toes go out and your knees go out with them. So it's like here, and then you're gonna go down, 2, 3, 4, up again, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you finish this part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then your arms are gonna go up like this again, and this one's gonna go down, and this one's gonna go down. So when you do this, that's 1 and 2. So it's 1, 2, walk 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I lied. So let's go all the way from the beginning. Sure. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2, walk 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Put it back. Okay. Chorus part. So I'm going to start with first half and the second half. First half, hands are behind your back, legs are apart. You're going to take your right arm and swing it all the way over with your leg. That's 2. And then front, come towards your face, and back. Let's do just that. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, next 8 count. Because we're here, you're going to go around your head, and your right arm is going to end up on your head, and your left arm is on your hip, and your hip is going to be bent out, and this leg is going to be pointed. It's not all the way on your left, but it's in the middle. Ready? Oh, the last half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next 8 count. So you're going to start here. 7, 8. And you're going to chicken your arms in and your legs in, like knees. 1, 2. When we do that, your leg comes up along with your one finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same on the other side. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. Just put it down 8. You're walking either forward or back. I guess it's your choice. But I'm going to walk backwards on the yes or yes part. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the last one, this leg is going to stick out on its heel. Like your heel is going to be on the floor, your toes are going to be pointed up. And that's yes. So next, from 8 after 7, 8, you're going to be here with everything back, and you're going to take this arm, and it's going to swing in front of you, and this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? I hope you caught everything with the knees. Right knee, right, left, right. And when you're doing that, you're kind of moving this way. So I'm going to start from yes or yes. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take your left arm and your right leg, and you're going to go backwards, I guess, or your left leg's going to go backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to do that first count again, which is this one. We're going to do that part again, but actually I'm going to start all the way from the beginning up to the part that we've learned. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this part where you do like that, I messed up and I started going this time. Okay, so let's do that with music. takes a lot of energy that I didn't think it was going to. Ugh. Where's my water? I'll be back. Okay, so the next 8 count, it depends on where you want to be, who you're trying to follow. Me personally, so I'm going to be going on 2 and turning on 7, I think. It makes sense. It's a whole ripple situation, as you can see right here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? Your feet are separated, and then you jump, and your right foot's in front, and your left foot is back, and you're going to turn with those, and your hands on your right knee, and you're kind of doing like a little kneeling thing, right? So for me, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And when you turn, because you can't see me, when you turn, you're turning the knee that's on the floor. That one's going to go up, and they're going to switch, and you just turn around. So you do a spinny thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello. So your right arm goes around your head, and then your left hip goes out, and then you do the opposite. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We are at the end, folks. I almost said folks and gentlemen. Okay, so let me teach you this ending part, and let me comprehend this ending part. So, we got this down. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna do all the way with counts, and then speed it up with counts a little bit, and then try music. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. I messed up, but that's cool. I messed up, but we still did it. It's gonna take some time after that, and I think that's it. So, bye.